mong ubusin yung oras mo sa pagko-contemplate, pag-iintay ng signs. How about take this video as call to action, opportunity para piliin naman yung spontaneity. You like that? Embrace spontaneity, especially when it comes to goals and aspirations na alam mong babaguhin yung buhay mo. A lot of times kasi nauubos tayo sa pag-overthink. Nauubos yung time natin sa pag-iisip, eto nga ba yung gusto kong gawin in the next 3 years, 5 years, 10 years? Eto nga ba yung gusto kong itry? And hindi naman lahat ng tao gustong maging freelancer as a full-time business or career. Some people, they just want some side hustle. And kapag na-try na nila, malalaman nila if this is really like their side hustle lang, or is this really something that they want to make a career out of. If this is you, please stop overthinking and start taking action. Back in 2007, when I learned about the potential of earning from home from a friend whose wife actually works from home and earns from home, I was like, okay, well, I can give it a try. I can perhaps check it out. And it took me 2 years. Alam mo yung isip lang ako ng isip na it's been at the back burner for quite some time na hindi ako nag-take action for 2 years. Imagine siguro kung nagsimula ako ng 2007, parang mas marami akong nagawa. Or may mga bagay na hindi ko na dapat pang pinagdaanan pero pinagdaanan ko. Kung naghahanap ka ng pwede mong subukan na very little yung risk, but at the same time, malaki yung iyong possible na pwedeng maging, pwede mong itry yung Revamp Basic Work from Home Training Program. Kasi 2 hours lang siya, Monday to Friday, 6 to 8 sessions. 6 to 8 p.m. din lang siya. And if, alam mo yun, if you feel that, maybe freelancing is not for me, then saka ka mag-decide. Kasi ito, 399 pesos lang siya. Pagka na perfect mo yung attendance, marirefund mo pa yung 399 pesos mo. So, imagine the things that you would learn for free if ready kang mag-commit ng 6 to 8 sessions. So, if you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, it will open this page. Now, dito sa bandang gitna, makikita nyo dyan, open classes. And guys, dito rin sa page na to, nandyan yung free resources natin. So, marami na kayong matututunan for free. But if you want to join the next batch for Revamp Basic Work from Home Training Program, again, 399 pesos lang siya. Ang next class namin ay sa March. I-click nyo lang ito, bubuksan niyan yung form kung saan nyo pwedeng ipadala yung bayad. It'll also give you all of the details that you need to know about the training. If nag-join ka dito sa training na to, pagkatapos naka-go through ka sa application book session kung saan tuturuan ka namin kung paano mag-create ng iyong profiles and paano mag-apply. You'd also have the final activity kung saan naman ready ka nung lahat ng kailangan mong ihanda kung gusto mo nang mag-apply as a freelancer. And then you'd have your one-on-one with me, which is what we call the mock interview. Pag nakompleto mo yon, you'd get the certificate, and you will also add your profile sa aming client pool, which might give you the opportunity to be matched with one of our clients sa aming agency. You will also meet all of the mentors, meaning magkaka-idea ka sa iba't ibang roles or services na pwede mong i-offer as a freelancer. So all of this, again, 399 and with the possibility of getting it refunded kung perfect yung attendance mo. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!